Dear students, hearty welcome to Learning Through Video. In today's video, we will discuss the comprehension questions of the greedy fat old man part 1. We will discuss the comprehension question. So, look to the first question. The first question is, what is the story about? And what is the question is, what is the story about? And from the story we have already learned that the story is about a greedy fat old man and a thin little boy. Come to question second. When did the old man get up? When did the old man get up? And remember yourselves, when did the old man get up? The old man got up at 6 a.m. The old man got up at 6 a.m. Remember the story. And another similar type of two question I am asking you. When did the old man take his breakfast? When did the old man took his bath? Yes, you have to answer these two questions. Then come to question third. How much did the old man take? How much did the old man take? Remember the story. The old man took 2 mugs of tea. The old man took 2 mugs of tea. And another similar type of question I am asking you. How much milk did the old man take? How much biscuit did the old man eat? How much cake the old man eat? You have to write. You have to answer my questions. Then come to question 4. Whom did he met on the way? Whom did he? Here he means the greedy fat old man. Whom did he meet on the way? From the story we have learned the old man met a thin little boy on the way. Or you may write on the way, putting a comma. On the way, the greedy fat old man met a thin little boy. Then come to question 5. How many questions did the old man ask the boy? Remember the story. How many questions did the old man ask the boy? If you have not remembered, look to the page. The old man has asked 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So you have to write the old man asked 4 number of questions to the boy. Then come to question 6. Did the boy ask the old man any question? From the story we have already learned that the boy asked the old man a question. The boy asked a question to the old man. What was his question? Remember yourself. What question the boy had asked to the greedy fat old man? Yes, from the story we have learned that the boy had asked, old man, what makes you so fat? Old man, what makes you so fat? Then come to question, last question. What did the old man do with the boy? Remember the story. At last, the old man caught the thin little boy and ate him up. At last, the greedy fat old man caught the thin little boy and ate him up. Then students, here is a VMDT, visual memory development technique for you. And students, whatever we see gets visually printed in our mind. And this test is to know how well we have understood, how well we have learned the story. So if we have learned the story in a better way, these pictures will automatically comes to our mind. So see these pictures in your memory, in your mind. Picture of fat old man, how a fat old man looks like. picture of a boy, picture of a milk packet, picture of a cake. If we have read the topic better, the picture will automatically come to our vision. So in order to remember the story, in order to remember story forever, we have to use VMDT. Then listen, I am reading these words, and you will write the words. If your teacher will ask you to, you have to take your fingertips on the words. If your teacher will call you to do so, listen me. Here it is: breakfast, biscuit, conversation, enough, question, catch, greedy. In your classroom situations, when your teacher will ask you to take any words from these words, you must put your finger, you must take the specific words. Then come to bit B. Here is a paragraph. You have to fill in the blanks with suitable words and see how the students has filled up the blanks, and you have to fill in the blanks with your own report. Then I am calling you 3-letter words like out, and you have to write five words properly. So write down. I am asking first old, second fat, third tea, fourthly mug, 5 boy. Write these 5 words correctly. Then this is a chain deal. It will be done in a better way in classroom situation when you will be in class, and it will be also play among students and teachers in your classroom situations. Then mental talk. Come to bit for mental talk. Students, language is more mental than verbal. We should not think language only a verbal thing. It is more mental. We learn language more quickly. Why? We learn language more quickly because most of the time we talk mentally. Most of the time we talk mentally without being aware. So talk mentally. Talk mentally. This will help you to develop your thinking skill, develop your thinking skill. So talk mentally. Old man, what makes you so fat? Old man, what makes you so fat? Then come to session 4. Here you have to write what is the story about. We have already discussed. The story is about a greedy fat old man and a thin little boy. You have to write in these lines. And how much tea did the old man take? Yes, we have discussed. The old man took 2 mugs of tea. Whom did the old man meet on the way? Yes, we have discussed. The old man met a thin little boy on the way. Then at last, what did the old man do with the boy? You have to write. The old man caught the thin little boy and ate him up. And student, here is a daily timetable of a student named Gopal like you, and based on the timetable, basing on the timetable about Gopal's daily habit, we have to write a paragraph. And past sentence has been written. Gopal gets up at 6 a.m. He brushes his teeth and look to the times and look to the activity. When Gopal brushes his teeth, when Gopal takes bath, when Gopal takes breakfast, and look to time also and write down here. Gopal gets up at 6 a.m. He brushes his teeth at 6:30 a.m. He takes bath at 7 a.m. He takes breakfast at 7:30 a.m. He goes to school at 9:30 a.m. Student, remember here es prefix prefix es will be added with geo. Gopal goes to school at 9:30 a.m. and you have to write, and then we have to join the 6 sentences into 2, and first three sentence has been joined. See, Gopal gets up at 6 a.m. Then if comma has been put, then brushes his teeth at 6:30 a.m. and conjunction is being used, and takes his bath at 7 a.m. So now we have to write Gopal takes breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Then we have to take comma and write goes to school at 9:30 a.m. and comes back from school at 4:30 p.m. Student, then this is we wrote here the daily habit of Gopal, and now we have to write. You have to write about you using the hints above. You have to write about your daily habit. I see how a student has started to write. I get up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m. You have to write. Then I brushed. You have to mention the times. You have to mention the time. I brushed my teeth at 6:30 a.m. I takes bath at 7 a.m. I take bath at 7 a.m. I take breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I go to school at 9:30 a.m. Then at last you have to write I comes back from school at 4:30 p.m. Then how we joined the 6 sentence into 2. Here you have to join your daily habit into a 2 sentence, and you have to write. Then students come to here these pictures. Here is a picture of a Colgate, and here name of the product. See here, the name of the product is Colgate, made by, yes, the Colgate, the product is made by Max Fresh. Net white. If it will be very better if you will see practically in your home. Net white 25 or 25 gram. Date of manufacture, here it is not visible, so I request you to see a cover of a Colgate in your home, and to mention the date of manufacture date. Then expiry date must have on the cover expiry date. Then price, its cost price is suppose Rs10, you have to write Rs10. Uses how we use the Colgate, use as a toothpaste. Then you have to write paragraphs. The name of the toothpaste is Colgate. It is made by Max Fresh. Its net white is 20 or 25 gram. You have to write seeing the Colgate cover. Then date of manufacture, you have to mention its date of manufacture is, you have to mention the date. Its expiry date is, you have to write the expiry date, and its cost price is RS10 or RS20, then we use Colgate as toothpaste. We use Colgate as toothpaste. Thank you, student.